Friends, how's it going? I'm laughing because I got a little bit of sun, a little bit of color out there, sunshine. Me and my son were getting blasted high. So hilarious. So this is true. This is my munchies. Dry. I got Jollibee. My son and I cut the food right in half. So I got the Jollibee and I got the mashed potatoes with the gravy, and I was craving that pineapple drink. So good. All right, let's go. I told my son I'm gonna crash out. It makes me so sleepy, but it helps. It helps with a lot of things like anxiety, and it helps. Really, I'm using it for the pain in my ankle, my feet. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, I did some walking videos outside, and some with the cats in the grass. It's fun, pretty cute cats. Mm. So good. And then yeah, Ryan was watering. I told him to water the avocado tree. Help. All right, ready? Let's see the Popeyes chicken sandwich. Ooh, and it has mayo on it too. Yum! Look at that. Mm. I love the pineapple juice. Well, this is what I'm having for lunch. Bye.